Dear student, class 5, today I'm going to discuss the first model test 2020, the potential suggestion of first chapter. You have to read more and more structural question. What is Operation Searchlight? Why was Operation Searchlight operated? Write four adverse effect of Operation Searchlight. Next question, what is Liberation War? Why was the entire nation involved in it? Write 4 roles of women in the War of Liberation. British rule. In which year? Structural question. Chapter 2. In which year was the Battle of Appalachia occurred? Why was this battle occurred? Write 4 result of Battle of Appalachia. And at which age Nawab Sirajuddaula became the Nawab of Bengal? Why conspiracies were made against him? Write 4 reasons for his defeat. Chapter 3. Who was Moinamoti? Why is Moinamoti called the center of Buddhist civilization? Write the name of the 4 monuments of Moinamoti. Next, what was Mahsangarh known as during the Maurya dynasty? Why is it important? Write the name of 4 finds which were found in Mahsangarh. Next chapter, chapter 4, our economy, agriculture and industry. You have to read more and more. You have to read more and more on chapter 4. What is export? Structural question. What is export? Why is it necessary to increase export? Write the name of 4 goods that we found. What does the economy of Bangladesh mainly depend on? Why is the agricultural land diminishing? Write 4 ways to increase agricultural production. Chapter 5. What are main basic need? Why is the necessary? What are basic needs? Why is it necessary to fulfill? Write the name of 4 basic needs. And you have to read what is population problem and why is it necessary to solve this problem? Write 4 ways of solving population problem. And chapter 6 and chapter 6 you have to read more and more. What is river erosion? Why is the natural flow of river threatened? Write 4 man-made causes of river erosion. What is flood? Why is flood occurred? Right four duties to prevent flood. So I am already discussed the suggestion of first model test 2020. You have to read more and more these structural question and listen and the matching question, the question of matching. Please follow the book and you have to read line by line. You have to read more line by line because the matching question we select the books line. So we have to read every line very carefully for matching. Then I'm going to revise the chapter 2. The Battle of Plassey, 1757. The British first came to India in the 17th century. When did the British came to India? In the 17th century. They beat off competition from Portuguese, Dutch and French. In 1600 they established the East India Company to run trade between the Mughal Empire of India and Britain. They had their eye on gaining Bengal for its wealth. This line is very important. Bengal was ruled by Siraj-ud-Dowla, who ruled Bengal. Siraj-ud-Dowla, who became the last independent Nawab of Bengal in 1756 at the age of what was the age of Nawab in that time, 22. As a young Nawab, he had many trouble with his family, especially his aunt Gharshati Begum, who was Gharshati Begum Nawab aunt. He also faced opposition from some of the merchants like Raidullah Jakut Seth, who plotted against him. This merchant finally joined forces with the British to fight the Nawab of Plassey against the Nawab on 23 June 1757. The Nawab was defeated because his army chief Mir Jafar betrayed him on the battlefield. The Nawab was later murdered. This was the beginning of nearly 200 years of British rule from 1757 to 1947. British rule in Bengal. The East India Company ruled Bengal for 100 years. How many years they ruled in Bengal? 100 years, from 1757 to 1857. Bengal came under company rule with Lord Clive at the first governor. Who was the first governor? Lord Clive. After 100 years of company rule in 1857, the Sepoy Mutiny occurred against the company's policy and exploitation. The British Queen took the rule of the whole of India, including Bengal, in her own hand, annulling the rule of company in 1858, which continued till 1947. There were some bad effects of British rule. The divide and rule policy set castes, religions and nationalities against each other. The local economy was so run down, the craftsmen were unemployed, farmers became poor and suffered from famines. The Chihattorer Montotor in 1770. The Jomindar became rich and exploit the these are the bad ruling of British, and they set up Jamindar class who became very rich and exploit the poor, and his bad ruling occurred Chihattor Montotor in 1770. These are here are some good effects of British rule. Education was encouraged with new school, college, and many new school established in subcontinent. Transport and communication were improved with better roads, railway, telegraph. The combination of education and communication produced the Bengal Renaissance of the 19th century, when new ideas and culture developed. These are the person. Discuss with your teacher what each of these people did for Bengal. Actually, Mr. Jafar, who are who were the betrayer, who is the betrayer, was the betrayed Nawab, and as a result we lost our independence. This person Mr. Jafar was the chief of army of Nawab Sirajuddaulah. He conspired against the Nawab, and the Nawab defeated in the Battle of Plassey because of his conspiracy. Mir Qasim, who was the Mir Qasim was the Nawab of Bengal. 1762 1763, he was defeated by the British army in the Battle of 1764. Robert Clive, Robert Clive was the first governor in India appointed by the British East India Company. Dangerous, very dangerous ruling of Robert Clive, because his dual administration is very harmful to the Indian subcontinent people. He made several administrative and military reform during his rule till 1767. Actually, Robert Clive managed the Nawab's surrounding people, and cleverly he got the power of subcontinent and snatched the power of subcontinent. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a social reformer, literature and educationalist. He played a significant role in Renaissance of Bengal. Look, some question we want to discuss. Why were the British in India? Actually, British came to India for trade. What did, very important question, what did they want from Bengal? They wanted to accumulate wealth from Bengal. The who ruled Bengal from 1757 to 1947? The British ruled the Bengal 1757 to 1947. Who conspired against him? The British ruled who conspired against him? Some of Nawab's family members and merchants like Rai Durlab, Jagos Seth conspired against the Nawab. Number 5. Why did the Nawab lose the battle? Actually, betrayal of Nawab's family, army chief, Mr. Jafar, Mir Jafar. The Nawab was defeated. Number C. What happened after the battle? The British rule was established in the subcontinent after the Battle of Plassey. Look, these are the Nawab's uh, enemy: British traders, Nob's family, and local merchant. Look, number C, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Raja Ram Mohan was a social reformer, literature, and education. He played a significant role in the Renaissance of Bengal. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was a literature and Pandit. He was also a social reformer. His effort led to the introduction of widow marriage. He also reconstructed the Bengal alphabet and reformed Bengali uh, typography. And Raja Rammohn Rai um, played a significant role on Satidaha. Nawab Abdul Latif was one of the famous social reformer of Kolkata. He played an important role in the transformation of Hindu College to Presidency College. In 1880, the British government awarded him the title Nawab for his outstanding contribution in social reform. Syed Amir Ali was also a social reformer. He influenced the Muslims to receive modern education in English medium. Sepoy Mutiny. The Sepoy Mutiny. There are several attempts of mutiny against the East India Company through the 19th century. Sepoy Mutiny, one of them. Such an attempt was taken by Tito Mir, who built a bamboo fort near Barasat in the village of Narikal Baria to resist the British. Actually, he wanted to resist the soldier of British to save the motherland of to save the Indian subcontinent. However, in 1831, his troops were defeated by the British army and Tito Mir was killed. Actually, Tito Mir was killed by the British soldier. The Sepoy Mutiny of 1857 was quite successful. It started in West Bengal by Mangal Pandey. He was one of them leader of Sepoy Mutiny in Barakpur and spread to the rest of India. Some of the causes of the mutiny were the post of constable in British army was dominated by the Indians, while the number was 50,000 of British, the number of 3 lakh. Actually, British people wanted created a plan to demolish the Indian soldiers and Indian people. For this reason, soldier of Indian 3 lakhs and British only 50,000. For several reasons, there was a chaos and social indiscipline among the soldiers at different areas of India. The soldiers were directed to work outside India. After 1856, there was rumor that the tallow delivered from beef and pork was used to grease the curtains for cannon and guns used in Indian army. The Sepoy Mutiny was supported by mass people, so they got themselves involved in the mutiny. The British took stern steps against it. Nearly 1 lakh Indians were killed to control this mutiny. Actually, the British ruler indiscriminately killing a lot of people to control the mutiny. The rule by the East India Company was now replaced by Queen Victoria, becoming Empress of India. She appointed viceroy to govern in India. Look, this is the pioneer person, Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is the most famous literature of Bangla literature. He was first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in 1913. Kazi Nazrul Islam is the national poet of Bangladesh. He is known as a rebel poet for his writing style. Begum Rokeya was an educationalist, social activist and advocate of women rights. She is pioneer of women education. So I am already discussed chapter 2. I am already division, and I already telling you the important structural question of the 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 chapter. So you read more. If you have any problem, please contact with me.